The defining moment in my life, mga anak, was the assassination of Senator Ninoy Aquino.
Fight ng mga nandito ngayon. Kamusta naman po sa kanan?
Namin. Pero, huwag mag-atubili. Matutupad po ba ang wish ni Kara David ngayon?
Sana
Ikaw ay
nagyaya.
That was what we had in the EDSA revolution. President, people power. That's why our demonstrations installed our duly elected president, President Cory Aquino. Together, we came out with an analysis of the Philippine economic crisis. Once again, in this trillion peso march, that people power is alive and kicking.